column date. Let me just create the column date right away. I'm going to enter just like that, Control plus, to add a new column here. And I don't know if you are aware, but if I type here on the right, the table will auto expand. If I type on the left, the table will not auto expand. And I want the date to be the first column, so I'm going to type date here. And how do I make this column be absorbed by the table? I can click on the table, and then on table design, I can come here to this button that says resize. This pop-up shows, this window shows up, and we can see the range that is being utilized by the table. I'm going to delete C, and I want to say I want to start from column B. Okay, so there we go. Now we have the date in there.